how to make video with pictures and music on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video where I show you that how you can make video with pictures on Instagram. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to open your Instagram account. So simply open the Instagram, and from here you have to swipe right from your home screen to open the camera roll. Okay, so from here you have to select a frame. So like I will choose this black screen. So after that you will have to click on this sticker option. So from here, you will have to find the options like photo, like it will look a gallery or icon. So simply open the photo from here. So I'm selecting the photos from here. Okay. Okay, so I have added this picture. Okay. So after adding one picture, you have to click on this sticker option again. And from here, you will have to click on this photo section again. Okay, so add another picture here. Okay. So like as a result, again go to the sticker option and for the photo option. Okay, so as you can see, I have adjusted these three pictures on my Instagram. So now for the music, you will have to click on this music option just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply click on that music option. Okay, so now from here, you can browse the musics whom you want to add on this picture. So simply I'm selecting this. Okay, so I have successfully added the music too on my Instagram post. So simply after that, you will have to click on this next option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. Okay, so from here, you'll have to click on this share option. Okay, so simply click on here done. So now you can see I have successfully added three pictures with the songs on my Instagram stories. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.